Hey everyone, Casey here. Going over Tron Supernode. So, there is a node token. The first Tron DeFi token is now launched and listed on JustSwap.io. So you'll be able to swap it, stake it, trade it, and get dividends. So that's kind of exciting. There's three links: the DeFi token, which is the page we're on, daily dividends, and then staking. The staking link does not work. Let me refresh the page just to verify. Yep, doesn't work. So this is the daily dividends. The daily dividends launches in 1 day and 57 minutes. So if you're Central Standard Time, it'll be 9 a.m. tomorrow. They do have the Telegram. The contract link doesn't go anywhere yet. It will have the different nodes you could do. So basically, same thing as Bank of Tron and some of the others that are starting to come out like this, with a little higher percentage rates. You'll be able to referral rewards, withdrawable rewards, 3 tiers, so 5%, 2%, and 0.5%. And when you put it in like 1,000 coins, it'll give you 0.5% off that, or 5 coins. So this will list all your investments you got going on, and how everything works. So the one I'm concerned with is how are the funds distributed. So they are taking money out of your deposits. Every time somebody makes a deposit, 3% goes to marketing, 3%, technical support 3%, marketing 3%, referrals is 5%, 2% and 0.5%, and the invitee is 0.5%, and then DeFi staking rewards is 7%. So if you're holding the node DeFi token, 7% of everybody's deal will be divided up among all of that. So I don't expect it to be a whole lot. Here, we can come here. So here's the pair. It's currently worth 9.41 TRX per one node. The pooled token size is 509,000 node. So, and I believe it's 100 million total node is going to be the total supply. So, I'm going to end up I'm going to buy some node. I'm going to do that here on the video. But I just want y'all to know that if you're, why the heck? If you're going to do this, then I'm going to have some node just to make a little extra from that. I'm assuming the staking tab will work tomorrow so that you can actually stake your DeFi token to get node. I don't know how it's all going to work out. Here, we could check out the white paper. Kind of glance through this. The project will be launched August 21st. Executive team. Nothing that stands out. Nothing that stands out too crazy. Decentralized lending. Allocated 10 million nodes for the decentralized loan mining. The 10 million nodes are locked before mining. Synthetic assets, allocate 50 other mining, 50 million nodes for protocols. Technical risk, policy risk. Disclaimer. So nothing that terrible crazy. I'm gonna get some node, hold on to it, and see what happens tomorrow. Again, you got 24 hours before this actually launches. I will have a link down below if you want to join up using my link. Again, use somebody's. You don't have to use mine, but use somebody's. It's helps them out, will help me out, help keep this channel moving along. But yeah, I'm probably going to be grabbing some of this for sure. So yeah, so I will be doing this too when it starts tomorrow at 9 a.m. I'll probably put in my 1,000 that I normally do. But yeah, I'll have the referral link below the description if you want to get it and check it out. And then I'll have I'll probably do another quick video tomorrow. So I don't think there's anything else I want to cover. I just thought those was pretty cool that you can actually buy the node coins and get 7% of it being distributed. So I'm probably only gonna get like 100 coins. I don't know. It's one of those that I'm just not 100% sure on. So I definitely will grab some. I'll probably spend 1,000 TRX and grab some today. Oh, let's actually just do it. Let's go to swap. Node. Let's see, max. We're just gonna do 1,100. And 1,150. So give me 119. How do I have insufficient balance? Let's reload the page. Node. Oh, because I only had 1122. Alright, we'll swap that. We'll confirm. We'll hit view on Tron scan. Well, so there's 6 blocks, 7 blocks. How did it go down a number? There's 11 blocks. Alright, so here in just a second it should show up. Almost there. There we go. Let's see if it actually shows up in here. Nope. But here it says that I do have a balance of 114. So I'm not going to stick them in the pool. I do have JST, CNR, and ANK in the pool currently, liquidity pools, but I'm not going to stick those in the pool. I'm just going to hold on to them till tomorrow and hopefully start collecting some extra stuff. So if y'all have any questions, hit me up on the comments down below or up on the Discord. Link to the Discord's in the description, along with a link to this site. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I will talk to y'all later.